Let us start the enumeration with Superscan. Enumeration is the process of discovering hosts and network on a live system. So, in this lecture, we are going to list out the computers that belong to a domain, list of shares on individual hosts, policies, passwords. That is basically, we will enumerate different things using a tool called as Superscan. So, without wasting much time, let us download the tool Superscan. So, go to your favorite browser and type download Superscan. So the first website, or the Superscan, the first hackingtools.in, you can download it from there, or you can download it from Softonic also. It's your choice. I will download it from Softonic. No, that is not the logo of Superscan. I will tell you the logo of Superscan. Yes, that is the official Superscan tool. So click download. Okay, that was not the download. Yes, no thanks. Continue to download Superscan and let us wait till Superscan gets downloaded. So you can see Superscan is downloading. Wait till it gets downloaded. It is a small software and won't consume much space. You can see Superscan has been downloaded. I will navigate to my downloads section. I will extract the files there. And then I will launch the Superscan. I will install it. Yes, so right click on it and run as an administrator. So now you can see the Superscan has opened. This is the window. And if you get any prompts, please ignore them. Now click to Windows Enumeration and type the IP address of the target website. The same website which we are using for the practicals, we will use the same website, that is the certifiedhacker.com. So to find out the IP address of certifiedhacker.com, use the ping command. So type ping certifiedhacker.com and hit enter. 162.241.216.11 is the IP address. So type the IP address there and then click on enumerate. So enumeration type depends upon the system in which you want to do. I will select all of them and hit enumerate. Let us wait till we get information. So what we will get is workstation type, users, groups, account policies, shares, domains, and many more. In short, this is a tool used to find out the network devices, or we can say it is a tool for information gathering also. So where you can see we have found out our answer. We have found shares on that domain, we have found domains, then we have got logon sessions, drives on, trusted domains, remote registry, etc. We have got a lot of information from this scan. So as you can see, there are trusted domains present and the enumeration is now complete. If you want to enumerate a different website, enter the address and click enumerate. Now this information also reveals some useful facts, that there are shares present on 162, that is more than 2 PCs or hosts might be present on that website. Then there are trusted domains, remote services are also on, such as TCP, UDP, and much more. So let's click clear and let's go to scan options, tools. Now this is an effective tools section. We have entered the certifiedhacker.com and then let's find whois. Okay, it has finished finding whois. Voila, we have found the same information which we had found during Maltego. Certifiedhacker.com, the registrar name, Network Solutions LLC, registrar city Jacksonville, Florida, which means that this tool can also be used for information gathering, right? We have also got phone numbers, email addresses, facts, and everything. You can literally get everything that you want out of this tool. So make sure you are known, you get used to this tool, then this information can prove handy at the time of information gathering. Now let's find out the host name or IP lookup. So done, the trace route has been done and the hops have been present. There are 30 hops required. Then we'll find the Erin lookup. Erin lookup has been done, no match has been found, and yes. So this is all about Superscan. If you want, you can read about it. It does host detection, quick use can use on TCP. It can also be used as an Nmap scanning tool. You can see UDP port scan, TCP port scan, start point and point, and much more is available in this tool. This is a comprehensive tool for network scanning.